Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install T Rowe Price investment tools, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official T Rowe Price website. Navigate to the investment tools section. Look for the download option for the investment tools. Click on the download link. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions. Select the installation location on your computer. Click Install to begin the installation. Wait as the software installs. Once installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Locate the T Rowe Price Investment Tools icon on your desktop. Double-click the icon to open the application. Log in using your T Rowe Price account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Explore the various tools provided for investment analysis. If needed, refer to the Help section for additional guidance. You are now ready to utilize T Rowe Price investment tools for your investment needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.